So the topic that I chose for this project comes from chapter 5, Behavioral and Social Theories of Learning. And one of the reasons being why I chose this topic is because this is something uh, is a challenge for me every day in my classroom. Uh, it's a struggle. And children can be awesome learners, but they all definitely do not learn the same. And that is something that, we struggle with on a daily basis, trying to reach each child in their own way. And so I want to just compare and contrast behavioral and social learning theories. In the chapter, it defines behavioral theories as they focus on the ways that pleasurable or unpleasant consequences of learning behavior changes individuals' behavior over time and the way individuals model their behavior on that of others, which sometimes, in my case, we have some students that choose to act out just to get a reaction or to get attention because they're attention seeking, and they just because they don't get that attention at home. um and on the other side of it is the social learning theories, which focuses more on the effects of thought on action and actions on thoughts. And in the chapter, it talks about the behavior learning theory has its own language to describe how consequences of behavior shape later behavior on in life. And I think that's something that we struggle with in the public school system, are these children that seek attention just because they may not get it at home, and how to be able to deal with that on a day-to-day basis. It's a struggle for me, and that's something that um as a first year teacher that I will have to, it'll be a learning experience for me. So that's just the topic that I wanted to discuss. And like I said, I do also struggle with that classroom management and the behaviors that these ones that seek attention and that sort of thing. So that's the topic that I chose. Thank you.